Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign, and this reading is for the month of June. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. So Aries, let's see your recent past. Okay, let's see your recent past. Seven of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, the Tower. Definitely something is happened between both of you. The Tower moment is happened. I think for some there is separation also. One person invest on this connection more than the other person, definitely, but things are getting better because Wheel of Fortune is in center. Definitely things are getting better, but there is less communication or no communication between both of you. Things are now getting better. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Okay, Justice here, definitely. So your person could be Libra, or you could be, or you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign. Hermit, the World. Definitely some cycles are going to be end, and I think one person in this connection thinking a lot rather than taking action. Definitely Justice here. Definitely you both are thinking about reconciliation, or one person is thinking about reconciliation. Definitely I think it is your person want reconcile with you, or you could be want reconcile with your person. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation, definitely, and some cycles which are going between both of you are going to be end. The World card is here. So let's say your person near future actions towards you, Aries. Your person, Three of Wands, waiting. The Star, you or your person could be Aquarius, or you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Two of Swords. Definitely your person could be at some crossroads. Definitely he may be at some crossroad. He has to choose between you and their career, between two, definitely, but he will choose you, definitely, because the Star card is here. And Three of, I think this could be a long distance relationship, definitely. Three of Wands, and waiting is going. Definitely there is no communication or less communication is going between both of you. Waiting, one person is waiting for another person to make a move towards them. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Aries, Four of Pentacles, they are not expressing their feelings, they are not open up. Ace of Swords, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Sun, wow. Four of Wands, wow. Definitely there will be reconciliation because the Sun and Four of Wands, major arcanas in the deck. Definitely there will be a celebration. I think you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11, and Ace of Swords. Definitely there will be a brand new beginning after reconciliation. So definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation, and then after reconciliation your love life is going to be next level. I think it is Four of Pentacle. In past your person not expressing their feelings, but in near future they will open up, definitely, because the Sun card is here and Ace of Wands. They will express their feelings to you, Aries, definitely. So brand new beginnings are there for you. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.